back to my channel. Today I'm making my gaming energy drink for my gaming sessions. So let's dig in! In today's recipe we need these followings: 7-Up, lime, mint, Dextro energy, ice. Watermelon is optional. First I start with the lime to chop them into pieces. 4 pieces to be exact. Okay, so now I have my mint plant and now I'm going to take the leaves. All done. Now we have our mint plants. Now I'm going to take my Dextro energy. Take 1 tablet. Then I take the Dextrosol and put it in here. And now I'm going to crush it. Here it is. Okay, so now I'm going to put the lime in the glass now. And now the mint leaves. And now the Dextro energy. A little bit more. Dun, dun. Done. Okay. This is how it's looking now. Now I'm going to crush it. Okay, so now we have the ice here, and now we're going to put the... it's spilling everywhere. Okay. Maybe a little bit more. It's spilling everywhere. Okay, done. Now I'm going to pour in the lime soda and now wait. And now we're going to stir it. Okay, now we have our finishing results. So delicious. Okay, this is my special gamer energy drink for the longest gaming sessions. As you can see here, we have the limes, so we put in those, and after we take half the watermelon, and then we put it in here. Now we're going to put in the mint leaves. And now the Dextro energy. Okay, done. So now I'm going to crush it. So now we're going to take the ice and put it in the drink. Done. And now we're going to put the 7-Up in. And now we're going to put the watermelon in. Done. And now I'm going to put the finishing touches. And now I'm going to stir it. Done. And this is the final result. Taste test. So delightful and tasty. Cheers, mate. The recipe is in the description below. Go check it out.